Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your Roblox password step by step if you forgot it or you can think someone else accessed your account. So first of all, you need to come here on Roblox. You can come here in Roblox in your mobile or on your computer. So here, if you already have access to your Roblox account, you just have to first of all come here on the home page. Afterwards, click on the settings icon on the top right hand corner. Now click on the option of settings. Here in the settings, you just have to come here in the account info section. In the account info, you are going to see the option of add passkeys or your password. So here right next to your password, you will see this change password option. After clicking on this option, simply provide your current password. Then you can create a new password and you can confirm your password. After doing this, simply click on the option of update and you will be able to easily change your password. Now, if you don't have the account access and you want to basically forget password, you just have to select the forget password option. After that, Roblox is going to ask you to send the password reset email. So the email will be on that particular email which is registered to your Roblox account. So when you get the link on your email, you just have to click on that and it is right away redirect you on the new password page. There you don't need to add your current password. You can right away start creating your new password by providing the new password that you want to set up for your Roblox account. Now, in some cases, Roblox may ask you for the verification of your phone number. So if you get that particular verification related prompt, you just have to provide your phone number and then you just have to get the verification code on the number and add it. And this way you will be able to reset your password and create a new password for your Roblox account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the tutorial. Thanks for watching.